Hi everyone, I'm Olivia Gerling and I'm the Media Communications Specialist with KCD PR. This week, I want to share some insights from Chapter 6 of our ebook, which discusses measuring and evaluating PR success in fintech. Now, as a former journalist, I'm always looking at numbers to measure the success of campaigns and activities we participate in. There are tons of sources that the numbers we measure success by come from. We're not only looking at media mentions, but also things like share of voice, website traffic, lead generation, and so much more. In the fintech industry, especially, companies want to be sure that all decisions being made regarding marketing are backed by data and numbers. We're also constantly changing our strategies to better respond to what is and what is not working. In order to be successful, companies should adopt a proactive approach. This chapter shares a ton. That's 14 to be exact. Critical steps fintech companies can engage in to build a strong brand presence and achieve business goals in a super competitive industry. Download the ebook to make sure you don't miss out on any of these tips and insights. You may just find something you didn't think about before.